Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about inverse matrix. Before we dive in, did you know that inverse matrices are important in cryptography? It is used to create top secret messages. But can you guess how? As you can see here, matrix is used to encode the message, while inverse matrix is used to decode the message. In this video, we are going to learn about two methods on how to find the inverse matrix. So the first one is property AB equals to KI. If matrix A multiplied by matrix B equals to BA equals to identity matrix, then A inverse is equals to B and B inverse is equals to A. Thus, if matrix A multiplied by matrix B equals to K multiplied by identity matrix, therefore, A inverse is equals to 1 over KB and B inverse is equals to 1 over KA. So let's work out this example. You can read the question first and also pause this video to try it out. So this is the solution for this question. Firstly, we need to multiply to find the identity matrix. Then we need to take out the coefficient. Then we get AB is equals to 2i. Thus, we know that K is equals to 2. So A inverse is equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by matrix B. Then we will get the answer. The second method is elementary row operations, which is known as ERO method. There are three operations to be done while doing this method. The first operation is swap rows. For example, we swap the first row with the second row. The second operation is multiply all the elements of a row by a scalar. For example, row 1 is multiplied by -1. The third operation is multiply a row and add it to another. For example, we multiply the second row with 2 and we add it into the first row. So, how to find inverse matrix by using ERO method? Matrix A is changed into identity matrix using ERO. The operations are done on both sides simultaneously and at the end the right side is the inverse matrix. For example, we can get the inverse matrix by using ERO method by doing the three operations that we have learned before until we get the identity matrix on the left side. Here are some tips to use the ERO method. You can do it according to this order. Here is another tips. Did you know that you can check your answer using a calculator? The step 1 is, you can press the button menu or setup and choose number 4 which is matrix on your calculator. And step 2, you can choose Mat A. Step 3, as this case, we solve for 3 by 3 matrix, thus we select 3 for the number of rows. And step 4, as this case, we solve for 3 by 3, thus we select 3 for the number of columns. Step 5, insert all values as stated in the question. Step 6, after that, press button option and select Mat A. Step 7, after selecting Mat A, press the button as inverse. Step 8, after that, press the button equals to get the answer. Note that Mat inverse shows the inverse of matrix A. And step 9, the answer is obtained. Woo! So that's all from us. Thank you!
Who's excited for quiz time? Let's go! You can pause anywhere in this video to answer the quiz. Find AB transpose. Multiply each row and column, and then switch the arrangement. To find the minor, use the formula AB minus CD on the remaining 4 elements when you choose a row and a column. Find the inverse using ERO. It can be calculated using this method. Start by comparing it with an inverse matrix. Then, slowly make your way by eliminating each column and row until you get the inverse matrix on the matrix side. Identify A43. Finding it by looking at row number 4 and then column number 3. Find A inverse by using the formula AB equal to K identity. The value of K will be 9 and we can find the inverse of A. Direct subtraction of matrix. The following are the application of matrices in daily life, except the construction of bridges. Which of the following is a lower triangular matrix? We can find by observing the pattern of the element. To find the cofactor, find the minor first and then multiply it by -1 to the power of sum of both row and column. The following are type of matrices except absolute matrix.